Have you ever heard about Ignition Marketing? Today, I'm going to give you my personal review on Ignition Marketing and the online prosperity training. So, stay tuned! Hey! Once again, this is Rafi Kalikdan and welcome to this short video review about Ignition Marketing. Bale, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting overview about Ignition Marketing, yung legalities niya, yung products niya, particularly yung online prosperity training, the website, at itutur ko rin kayo sa loob ng back office. At syempre, sa hulihan ng ating video ay malalaman natin kung para sa'yo ba to or hindi. Pero para naman ma-save natin yung time mo, ay sasabihin ko kung para kanino talaga tong video na to. Kung isa kang entrepreneur, network marketer, direct seller, yan, real estate agent, traditional business owner, na gusto matuto kung paanong effective online marketing, para sa'yo to. At para sa'yo rin to kung isa kang nagsastruggle na entrepreneur na willing na mag-level up ng kanyang knowledge and skills sa pagmamarket ng kanyang products, opportunity, and offer. Para rin to sa mga tao na naghahanap ng magandang opportunity na yung tipong sawa na sa work nila, na naghahanap sila ng extra source of income, yan, para sa'yo rin to. And I hope yung mga makikita mo ngayon dito sa video ay makatulong sa'yo sa pagde-decide kung para sa'yo itong Ignition Marketing. Okay? Yan, nag-start ang Ignition Marketing noong August 27, 2014. So, very recently lang. So, I'm recording this video September 4, 2014. So, isang week mahigit pa lang. And as you can see, ito yung main website ng Ignition Marketing. Yan. Siyempre, as something new, ay aalamin din natin kung legal nga ba tong Ignition Marketing. Siyempre, gusto natin na legal, ethical, moral yung papasukin natin in case magustuhan natin, di ba? So, ito yung parang pinaka homepage ng Ignition Marketing. So, as you can see, para sa akin, I see it as very slick. Yan, malinis yung pagkakagawa ng website. At ayan, makikita mo naman dyan directly kung ano yung mga products ng Ignition Marketing and why Ignition Marketing. Tapos dito sa pinakababa ay yung terms and conditions and the legalities. So, click natin tong legalities. Ayan, so pagka-click natin ng legalities ay makikita natin dito yung scanned certificate galing sa SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. Yan, so nakapangalan siya sa Ignition Marketing Co. Yan, so I think it's legal, right? Yan, tapos tingnan naman natin ngayon dito yung About Us. Ayan. So, in summary, Ignition Marketing is an affiliate program in which they provide quality training products, coaching, marketing tools, and systems in helping Filipino entrepreneurs achieve the results they want and make more money in their business. Ayan. Tapos, yung products nila are created to help entrepreneurs in generating more leads, more customers, and more sales in the business. And if you don't have a business yet, you can promote the products of Ignition Marketing and you will be rewarded with huge upfront commissions. Yan. Tapos, syempre dito sa products tab, makikita natin dyan, they are modules. So, makikita natin yan sa loob ng back office maya-maya. So, itutur ko kayo dyan. So, tututukan natin tong online prosperity training dahil gusto nating alamin kung para sa'yo itong program na ito, right? So, ayan. So, meron dito yung opportunity na pag click mo yan, ay mapupunta ka sa parang squeeze page. Tapos, itong support, ito pinagmamalaki to ng Ignition Marketing na they have great support system na nandito na rin yung mga FAQs na tutulong sa mga, syempre, yung mga information seekers bago nila bilhin yung products ng Ignition Marketing ay mai-inform muna sila, right? So ngayon ay itutur ko kayo sa back office ng Ignition Marketing at magkakaroon na kayo ng idea kung ano ba yung mga videos na mapapanood niyo dito, kung ano yung mga matututunan nyo sa loob ng Ignition Marketing. So dito meron silang members login and syempre ako, I am reviewing the Ignition Marketing because me myself is a user of the products of Ignition Marketing, and it's a result of one of the things that I have learned inside. So ngayon, pasok tayo. Ayan. So pagka-login mo, ito yung parang pinaka-dashboard ng Ignition Marketing. So dito, kung hindi ka pa official member, ang video na makikita mo dito is the video instructions on how you can fund your e-wallet. So ito yung e-wallet. Okay, so pag na-approve na yung payment mo at na-avail mo na at least yung OPT or yung Online Prosperity Training, ay mag-iiba yung video dito sa dashboard, which is the Ignition Marketing 8 Freedom Pledge. Yan, so makikita mo dyan. So dito na sa baba, makikita mo yung total earned commissions, this month commissions, and the e-wallet balance, yung hindi mo pa na-encash. So, tingnan natin dito sa tab na to, My Profile. Yan. So, sa My Profile, simple lang. Nakalagay dito yung, yung profile mo, kung sino yung sponsor mo, tapos yung password mo, tapos yung bank account na pagpapadalhan ng Ignition Marketing ng iyong in-encash na payout. Tapos, nandito rin yung mga My Links. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 links na lalabas dyan once na na-avail mo na at least yung OPT. At pwede mo nang i-promote yung Ignition Marketing. Tapos, for every sale, para magka-idea ka, for every sale, you will earn 2,000 pesos in commission. Malaki. Medyo, para sa akin, it's a big commission for every sale, di ba? So, nandito ulit yung support tab, tapos yung news. Yan. Sa news naman, ay makikita nyo yung mga latest updates na galing sa admin ng Ignition Marketing. So, ito, August 31, 2014 na update, Ignition Marketing has surpassed the 1 million mark in affiliate sales. Grabe, no? Yan. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa left side. So, dito, e-wallet funding ay ito yung video na tinutukoy ko kanina na magtuturo sa'yo kung paano ka bibili ng e-wallet, ng fund mo for the e-wallet. So, dito sa baba ay makikita mo rin yung mga e-wallet funding options. So, step by step naman yan, so, kaya hindi ka na mahihirapan. So, ang mga ino-offer na e-wallet funding options ng Ignition Marketing is BPI, BDO, Union Bank, LBC, Cebuana, Palawan Express, Lulier, Western Union, MoneyGram, PayPal, GCash, and Smart Money. So, tingnan lang natin itong sa BPI. Yan. Para ipakita rin sa inyo na nakapangalan mismo sa company yung kanilang account. Yan, di ba? Tapos, nandito na yung step 3. So, i-fill up nyo yan. Basta malalaman nyo yung instructions sa video na to. So, yan. Dito naman sa My e-wallet, click natin yan, ay makikita mo yung e-wallet balance mo. Basta dito sa Encash ay pwede mong ilagay kung magkano yung gusto mong parang i-withdraw, ganun, or i-encash from your e-wallet balance. Tapos dito sa My Referrals, makikita mo dito may dalawang parte yung My Referrals tab. Meron dyan My Inactive Referrals at meron din dito yung My Active Referrals. Bali yung My Inactive Referrals ay sila yung mga nag-sign up under your affiliate link. Pero hindi pa sila yung nagbabayad pa talaga. Okay? Yan, dito naman tayo sa My Earnings. So dito makikita mo kung sino yung mga nagpo-purchase at kung magkano yung commission na natatanggap mo. So, dito naman tayo sa My Products. At so far, Ignition Marketing has 2 products. Ito yung Online Prosperity Training and the Elite Inner Circle. Baling Elite Inner Circle ay tsaka ako nagagawa ng review yan para naman hindi masyadong mahaba tong video. So, unahin lang muna natin tong parang pinaka-basic membership which is the OPT. Tapos, dito, buy pa yan pagka hindi pa yan na-activate. So, pagka nabili mo na, pwede mo nang i-access. So, pag in-access mo, dito sa online prosperity training, there are 3 topics na di-discuss ng ating mga founders dito, which is the fast profit blueprint, the Facebook sikat marketing, and the bonus training, which is the shortcut to 100,000 per month. Gusto mo ba yun? Kasi ako gusto ko. Yan. So, unahin natin dito sa fast profit blueprint. So, pagbukas natin dyan, ay may mga modules kang makikita. So, module 1, module 2, module 3, yan, 3 modules dito sa Fast Profit Blueprint. So, sa video 1, mapapanood mo dyan ang tungkol sa Entrepreneur's Fundamental Structure. Sa video 2 naman is Set Goal and Plan. Sa video 3 naman is Get Started for Massive Action. Sa module 2 is ituturo dito sa video 1 yung Internet Marketing 101. Video 2 is how to market online. Yan. Ito yung mga basic na kailangan mong matutunan kung gusto mo talagang mag-step up sa online marketing. And syempre, video 3, let people see you as marketing expert. Sa module 3 naman is video 1, become a target marketing expert. Video 2 is learn the different source of traffic. And that's about the Fast Profit Blueprint. My verdict on this Fast Profit Blueprint is, I think it is very, very good pagdating sa pagsiset mo ng foundation. Kasi it's very important that you'll know why you are doing business or why you want to reach for your dreams, for you, for your family. Yan, kailangan mong malaman or kailangan ka ma-refresh at kailangan mo ma-realize kung bakit mo ginagawa ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi ginagawa ng karamihan. So sabi nga nila ang mga entrepreneurs kakaiba mag-isip. And I'm very sure that you are watching this video because you are an aspiring entrepreneur or entrepreneur ka na nagsisik ng additional knowledge or gusto mo ma-enhance pa yung skill mo kasi dedicated ka sa dreams mo. Right? So, yan yung about sa Fast Profit Blueprint. So, balikan natin sa my products, OPT, access. And pangalawang training is yung Facebook sikat marketing. We all know that Facebook is a very, very powerful tool in building our business. Or kung gusto natin ng mas malaking kita, kailangan natin ma-master ang Facebook marketing. 'Di ba? So it's a very helpful training. Pagbukas natin ay meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 modules na matututunan natin dito kung paano maging sikat sa Facebook. Kasi kung mas sikat ka, mas maraming makakakita ng offer mo. Tama ba? Dito, tinuturo nila kung paano gamitin ng Facebook para mas makita ng tao yung offer mo, yung opportunity mo, or yung product mo. That means more income, right? So, dito sa Module 1, makita natin yung introduction to Facebook sikat. Sa Module 2 naman is how to get free leads and prospects on Facebook. Video 2 is exercise, so parang yung actual na paggawa ng natutunan dito sa video 1. So dito naman sa module 3 is introduction to Facebook ads. So personal tip ko sa iyo, if you want to have more exposure, more income, ay kailangan mong matutunan ang tungkol sa Facebook ads. Okay, me myself, I'm doing Facebook ads dahil naniniwala ako na syempre pag ads, pag binayaran mo, mas maraming makakakita. Diba? Therefore, more income. Right? So, video 1 is introduction to Facebook ads. At video 2 naman is case study. So, module 4 ay Dito tuturuan nila tayo kung paano mag-create ng FB ad that converts like crazy. Grabe, no? Tapos video 2 is exercise. Module 5 naman is video 1, creating your FB maximizer system. Step-by-step guide yan. At yung video 2 is real-world example. Sa Module 6, the don'ts of Facebook marketing. Di ba ito yung mga bagay na kailangan nating matutunan dahil kung ang panay ginagawa natin ay pagtatag or pagsa-spam, tingin ko ay hindi siya ethical, hindi siya professional. So, ang masasuggest ko ay kailangan mong matutunan ang mga bagay na ito. And Module 7 naman is the conclusion. Ayan. So, may idea ka na ng products ng Ignition Marketing is more of the information na kailangan mong malaman para mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yung goals, yung dreams mo, and para mas maging angat ka among your competition. Diba? Tapos, syempre, sino ba naman ang may ayaw ng bonus? Eto, nagulat rin ako nung pinanood ko yung video presentation about Ignition Marketing na may bonus pa na training videos, which is the shortcut to 100,000 per month. Dito sa bonus shortcut to 100,000 per month ay makikita natin dito na merong 3 videos na makakatulong sa atin kung paano ma-achieve yung 100,000 per month. Diba? So, nandito yung goal mapping and visualization process, 4 most profitable business models. So, as of today, hindi pa nila na-upload, at yung big money, the big money. If you were to ask me kung sulit ba ang online prosperity training for 2,999, of course, sobrang sulit. Hindi ko sinasabi to na may bias, pero sulit siya. Ikaw ba naman ay magkikreate ka ng system? Imposibleng hindi sa 3,000 pa lang, 'di ba? Sulit na yon. Tapos kung makikita mo yung mga yung mga videos nila, they are quality videos. Talagang pinaghirapan naman nila yung pag-create ng videos. Okay, since this is a review, I will give you the downside of Ignition Marketing. So, as for my personal observation, sarili ko lang to is yung paglo-load ng videos nila. Okay? So, minsan, hindi magpi-play, kailangan mong i-refresh, pero I think that's just a minor problem. As long as nandyan naman yung videos, right? So, ang parang pinaka-solution to that is to just refresh. I also access the training sa iPad. Ganun yung nangyayari, yung paglo-load ng videos. But as of this moment, I think they are very open to suggestions. They are very open to yung mga reklamo ng mga users ng Ignition Marketing para mas mapabuti nila yung system. You have to take note that there is no such thing as a perfect system. So, lahat naman, di ba? Pati nga dun sa application sa games, yan. Or mga applications mo sa phone mo, kung Android, kung iPhone yan, di ba? Laging may update yung application dahil may mga bug yan. So, ganun rin dito sa Ignition Marketing. If you wanna know more about Ignition Marketing, I will attach a link below this video. If you are someone who is very skeptic about Ignition Marketing and you found this video, I strongly encourage you to take action now. Grabe, i-grab mo na tong opportunity na to dahil bihira lang na mangyari na ganito sa Pilipinas dahil I'm not sure if you know about MLSP, yung My Lead System Pro. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Empower Network. Parang ganun yung caliber nito kasi they are selling information. It is one of the most profitable business in the world, yung pagsasell ng information, and that is what we want. Yung information para umasenso tayo, 'di ba? Yun lang naman ang lamang ng nag-aral sa hindi. Tama, yung information na natutunan niya. I hope ay may natutunan ka dito sa video presentation na ito. At I think this is a start of a series of video bloggings from me. Dahil nung napanood ko tong mga training videos sa Ignition Marketing ay talagang na-inspire ako to create more traffic to my business. Okay? And video blogging is one of them. And if you have any questions regarding Ignition Marketing, you can search me on Facebook, facebook.com/RafiCalicdan page. Yan, para sure na matatanggap ko yung message mo. Kasi sa personal profile ko ay minsan hindi na makakapag-message yung tao. So, sa page, pwede kang mag-message doon. And if you want to subscribe to my email list, just go to raficalicdan.net at may makikita ka dun sa right na free ebook giveaway na binibigay ko sa mga magsusubscribe sa akin. That is for you to be notified every time na mag-post ako ng bagong vlog at bagong review ulit ng Ignition Marketing. The next time na gagawa ulit ako na i-review ko naman yung mga new products ng Ignition Marketing. Yan. So, I encourage you to subscribe to my email list. Just go to raficalicdan.net. Yan. If you are a network marketer, a direct seller, I could also give you tips doon sa blog site ko na yon. And yun lang muna for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. And feel free to share this video. And feel free to comment. And if you are someone na naghahanap talaga ng magandang opportunity online, ay pwede mo ring gawing negosyo ang Ignition Marketing. So if you are interested to do that, you can click the link below this video. Once again, this is Rafi Calicdan wishing you good health, abundance, and God bless.